Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna get the house vents clean Rite Way. They're based out of Tucson, Arizona. I got one of the guys, the technicians, already here. They brought a big truck for some reason. It's like a big, probably industrial or something. But I want to show you guys. So they have this truck right here with all their equipment. Let's see what's this about. If you want to talk to them, 520-829-3559, guys. So please, give them a call. So one of the things that the technician did for on the house is that he put these plastics all over the place, and they correlate with the holes in the ceiling for the AC. How you call that? AC ducts?
Yeah.
Yeah. To the AC ducts right here. You guys can see, in addition to that, he went above and beyond, and he covered my computer systems. He covered my camera gear, which is very, very expensive. Grade 8, great job. He went everywhere on the house. So we're gonna do first we're gonna do the first floor, then we're gonna move to the second floor with this big machine that he brought inside from the company. And what's the name of that machine, man?
It was just a vacuum. It's called a HyperVac.
Okay.
It has a 3-stage filter. One's an electrostatic filter, and which catches all your fine dust. So anything that comes in here stays in here.
Wow, that's amazing. So they recommend this service to be done at least every 5 years, which to me, I think it should be done sooner than that. 5 years is a long, very long time. Just keep in consideration that, you have your ACs running all day long. These doors are going up, in and out. And yeah, let's see what this machine is all about. I mean, there's a bunch of fuss online about you guys over there on YouTube about, hey, when this needs to get done, who should be doing this, and what kind of machines to use. But I think this setup looks amazing, so I'm gonna be doing this review with you guys. Hopefully you guys like it. Okay, if you have any questions, put on the comments below, or whatever the case may be, just let me know. Let's go. Okay, so they're using this kind of foam material, kind of this isolation to those registers right there. It's like to seal. They're doing that to seal all the holes while they do the all the cleaning with the vacuum cleaner. So super excited.
So the purpose of this is to provide better suction for the vacuum.
Okay.
So let's say they're all plugged up and I'm getting ready to clean this one. When I remove it, the suction of the vacuum will come specifically to this vent. So then when I start feeding in my attachment that disrupts the dust, it's easier for the vacuum to clean this specific trunk.
Awesome.
And it also prevents from dust that I'm blowing this way to come out here.
Cool. Okay guys, so the technicians are right now installing all the covers all over the house, in every vent, as you guys can see. And then in a couple seconds, those guys are gonna start turning on the machine, and then start getting all that dirt and dust and all that nastiness out of those vents, guys. So this service is supposed to be done every at least 5 years, but I think every 3 years to 4 years will be better. I mean, for somebody like me that likes to have their house, in top condition, because you never know when you're going to sell your house, and it's better to have a house ready than trying to fix things last minute. So let's see the process. Okay guys, last steps are happening right now. They're about to turn on the compressor and the in here in the house, the generator outside on the truck. I mean, the gas are outside. That's the compressor. All the ducts are closed, and I just can't wait to see what's about to happen, guys. I'm very excited about this cleaning, because I mean, you never know when you might be getting sick because of the duct vents, or maybe for the dust that is accumulating, or those things. One of the things that I keep finding is, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a very fine dust all over this place. You see? I don't think you can see it. But this oh, right here, yeah. All this right here just happened after the technician cleaned or opened that access place right there. And it's very weird, you know, because I'm like, this is a brand new house. We have this house for about 6 years, and before, once I bought it last year, I mean, they have the AC's clean, so I'm like, what's going on? But anyway, guys, they're gonna. I hope that they do a great job, and I'm looking forward to see the changes on the AC system. Let's go. I gotta tell you guys, this machine is pretty loud, so you gotta stay in action. Look at it. Just amazing. Let's take a look at those guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna let those guys do their job. I don't wanna be on the middle of, you know, their work area. But I gotta tell you guys, this video is exciting. I mean, the machine looks amazing. It sounds like it's doing something. When I saw the guys over there, they really look, it really gave me the impression that whatever they're doing is gonna be effective. It's gonna be good for the house and for our health, which is the most important part. Anyway guys, see you in a second. You wanna play, Luke? You wanna play? You wanna play? Who's this right here? Who's this right here? Who's this little right here? Who's this little right here? Hi, Bobby, love you. That's my doggy. Anyway, guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, so right now we're going into the second floor. You guys are running the lines already upstairs. Compressor, water, leak, bunch of things. So pretty cool.
Just the red one. Just the red one.
So you guys can see, that's my daughter. This is the second floor. The machine is already installed, ready to roll. Super cool, guys. Super cool. Can't wait for this to get clean. Can't wait for this to get clean and finally fixed, because it's terrible having those